Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use expressions in the finals. And to do this, by default on a keyboard it's under T, so you just need to press T to use your default expression, or you need to hold T, that way you open wheel and you can choose between different expressions that you've added to that wheel. And if this doesn't work for you, you need to click on escape, go to the settings, enter mouse and keyboard, here scroll down and find the button for expressions, and on controller I guess you will need to open the emotes tab and then just switch to different expressions on the right, like I have it on the right click. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.